Hey there. So going green is not just about saving the planet anymore. It's becoming one of the biggest money saving opportunities for businesses today. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, in cost savings from smarter waste strategies. So, in this video, I'm going to showcase 5 innovative zero waste trends that leading companies are using right now to improve their bottom line and lighten their impact on the environment. Hey, y'all, I'm Stacy Savage, aka the Texas Trash Talker, your zero waste expert and recycling nerd of 20 years. I'm co I'm founder and CEO of Zero Waste Strategies, and we help businesses reduce waste for increased revenue, deeper customer loyalty, and to drive a green marketing edge. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. So our client list includes the likes of Dell, AT&T, Apple, Nestle, Purina, Boston University, City of Austin, just to name a few. And we're growing every day. So, from smart technologies that spot excess waste right at the source to circular models that completely reimagine product life cycles, businesses have more options now more than ever before to reduce trash while raking in the cash, right? So we'll highlight some inspiring examples across industries from Microsoft to Coors, Miller Coors, where sustainable innovations have already produced jaw-dropping ROI. So just in a few minutes, you'll discover cutting-edge ideas that you can implement today, making your business lean, clean, and green. When the health of your company aligns with the health of the planet, it's a win-win. So watch this video all the way through to find out how to turn trash to cash through the power of zero waste strategies. So here are my top 5 innovative zero waste trends for businesses in 2024 that could save your company money. So, number one is circular product packaging and design. Designing products and packaging that are reusable, recyclable, or compostable eliminates waste from the start and can reduce material costs. There's awesome brands like Loop that offer reusable packaging, and even companies like EFI, which is an electronics manufacturer, now uses modular upgradable products that can be repaired rather than reused. That can be repaired and reused rather than being discarded. And this has really cut their production and material costs by 60%. Number 2 is having composting programs. So setting up composting bins or partnerships with composting companies to divert food waste and other compostable waste, like food soiled napkins, maybe you use paper plates, and even yard waste from your landscaping debris. That's also compostable. And this can reduce trash hauling and landfill costs. Companies like Microsoft have composted over 2.3 million pounds of its food waste from its Redmond campus dining facilities. So this has really helped that tech giant save over $200,000 per year in waste hauling costs. Number 3 is automated waste tracking. So using smart sensors and artificial intelligence and analytics to track real-time waste data. So this allows companies to identify problem areas and optimize zero waste efforts. So you may be familiar with Restaurant Brands International. They use Lean Path food waste tracking software in thousands of its fast food locations. So this has really helped identify waste patterns and reduced food waste by over 50% in their pilot locations. This translates to over $1 million in annual food cost savings. Number 4 is responsible sourcing and production. So choosing responsible vendors and using efficient production methods that reduce product scrap waste. So this cuts costs throughout the entire supply chain and production chain. So a real world example would be Unilever's sustainable sourcing programs that choose suppliers with efficient, low cost and low waste operations that have reduced manufacturing waste by over 40% in certain facilities. So this allows them to avoid over $1 billion in material costs every single year. Number five is water reuse or reclamation systems. So, installing these types of systems that reuse water for non potable purposes like landscape irrigation or toilet flushing, these can dramatically lower water usage and your utility bills. So, rainwater has actually been very popular. Rainwater harvesting, excuse me, has been very popular within residential communities, but I feel like businesses are kind of just now getting around to understanding what water reclamation could mean for their company in terms of dollars. So the Miller Coors company, their Trenton brewery, actually installed a water reuse system that has recaptured over 2 billion gallons of former wastewater. And this system saves them around $140,000 annually. So, really, the common thread in using these innovations and technologies to transform waste into savings helps the business bottom line and protect our planet. So, this is proactive planning for zero waste that actually pays financially. And as we've seen today, companies really do find themselves in a bit of an enviable win-win situation. It's forward-thinking zero waste programs that eliminate excess material and streamline operations, also fatten the bottom line by curbing your costs. So it's the ultimate virtuous cycle with such tremendous financial upside on top of helping curb global waste issues. The time for action is now. Um, and the numbers and the results just don't lie. Green generates green. So embracing that and making smart but radical changes in your waste systems this year, by 2025, you could also save hundreds of thousands of dollars in your business. And more importantly, you'll have played a very valuable part in creating a cleaner, healthier environment. The power and the business to care for zero waste is simply too compelling to ignore. Again, the time is to act right now. So, if you're interested in learning more about our online Cash for Trash Zero Waste Business Academy and how we can save your company money through waste reduction, please visit our website at zerowaste.org. That's the digit, the number zero, WASTE.org.